OpenClaw has many helpful use cases, and one of them is automating daily, weekly, or monthly reports. Over here, I have the AI fetching data from my Superbase instance, and then creating a Google Sheet that records the sales data for the past week, along with insights and charts based on that data. Once the spreadsheet is ready, a notification is sent to my Telegram to let me know that the report is done. This workflow makes it easy to stay on top of your data without doing all the manual work every single week. Let me show you how I do it. So first, I have my OpenClaw bot named Alfred set up using KiloClaw, which is a fully managed, hosted version of OpenClaw. With just one click, you can have your own personal AI agent, no Mac Mini required, no setting up your own server, managing infrastructure, or worrying about errors. The KiloClaw dashboard also makes it easy to connect your Telegram or Google account. I have connected both, as you can see in the settings here. Next, you need to install Composio to your OpenClaw instance. It's a framework that allows your OpenClaw agent to connect securely and safely to many tools. You can get started for free as well, so just sign up with your email. And once you're in the dashboard, you can install the plugin in OpenClaw. Just click this install button and then copy the setup prompt. Go to OpenClaw's chat UI, paste the prompt, and then press enter. OpenClaw will be able to configure the plugin from the prompt, and while it's working, let's go back to Composio, and then in the Connect Apps menu, you will see hundreds of apps that you can connect to Composio, including Supabase over here. So click Connect, and then you can configure the API URL for Superbase. This is useful in case you are self-hosting the service. But if you're using the managed service, then just click Connect Account. And on the next screen, you can view all permissions requested by Composio. You can read them first, and when you're ready, click Authorize down here. And with that, Superbase is now connected with Composio. We can view all tools available for the agent to call over here. But that will be all we need from Composio. So let's go back to OpenClaw, and you can see the plugin is now configured and connected to the agent. Now, before we jump into the exciting part, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you won't miss any new videos that can really level up your skills. Also, click on the bell to get notified whenever a new video comes out. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel. You really help me make useful videos just like this one. Before we continue, let me quickly show you the database we're working with. So over here in Superbase, I have a database called Cross Tools that stores sales data, things like deals, products, customers, orders, and so on. I also created views to simplify more complex queries across multiple tables. Now let's jump back to OpenClaw and see if the agent can actually read from this Superbase instance. In the chat UI, I will ask it to find the database and summarize the tables. Press enter and let it process the request for a bit. I will fast forward to when it's finished. Okay, over here OpenClaw has finished processing the request. We can see the table summary, how many rows, size, and description for each table, plus the table relationships down here. So that's pretty good. Next, I'm going to ask it to run a more complex workflow. And here it is. I asked OpenClaw to query the database and grab the orders, order items, and deals for the last week, calculate revenue per order, and include order data when applicable. Once you have the data, export it to Google Sheet, label it using the date range, add the data as tabs, then generate the following charts. I listed 5 charts over here, and then asked it to create a new tab to write insights from the data. It's quite complex, but this is actually why the workflow is useful. Now this will take some time, so I will skip again to when the agent sends a response. Okay, so here the agent asked to connect Google Sheet through Composio, but I have actually connected my Google account, so there is no need to use the plugin. The agent then decided to use the CLI to access my Google account. Alright, after about an hour and a long list of tool calling over here, OpenClaw finally created the Google Sheet and put all data, charts, and insights there. It also provides a link to the sheet over here, and then we can also access it directly from Google Drive. So let's click that. And now we can see the data. It contains the orders for the last 7 days. There's also the order items, and then deals over here. Next, there is the insights. It shows the total revenue this week, also the best performing salesperson, top product category, and so on. We have many insights from the data here, and next to that we have charts. So we can see the 5 charts over here showing important data visualization for the week. So that's how you can automate data analysis and visualization using OpenClaw. The last step is to automate this report generation so that it can run automatically whether daily, weekly, or monthly. To do so, we can ask OpenClaw to create a new cron job. So I will ask it to run every Monday morning and then fetch the data from Superbase, put it in Google Sheet, create charts and insights, and then notify me in Telegram, submit the prompt and let the agent process it. And after a while, OpenClaw created the cron job over here called Weekly Superbase Report. We can also try to run this using the cron run command. So let's try it out. First, I will delete the sheet from Google Drive. And next, run the cron run command, followed by the job ID over here. So just copy that and then paste it into the chat box and then submit the prompt. And after a moment, the cron job will run in the background. Now all we have to do is wait, as the agent will send a message to Telegram when the report is finished. Okay, over here we can see the report in Telegram. There is the link to the spreadsheet as well as short summary of last week's data. We can click the link here, or we can also open Google Drive to find the newly created sheet. If you like this video and would love to support the channel, you can consider donating to my channel through the Super Thanks option below. Or you can consider joining my YouTube membership, where you can access this channel's emojis, get early access to new videos, plus a lot more. And that's it for this video. Now you know how to use OpenClaw to pull data from Superbase, generate a Google Sheet with charts and insights, and then send a notification to Telegram. You can also automate the workflow, set it up as a cron job so that it runs on a specific schedule. All of this can be done easily using KiloClaw, so if you're interested to try out OpenClaw without setting up your own server, then I encourage you to check it out. The link is in the description. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and get some value out of it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'll join the conversation and reply as often as I can. If you're new to the channel, my name is Nathan and I help you learn how to code and use AI tools. Make sure to subscribe if that's something you find useful. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell, like this video, all the good stuff, as it really helps this channel to grow. With that being said, thanks so much for watching until the end, and I'll see you in other videos. Bye!